As we've seen, metals have a lower electronegativity and lose electrons. So for example, magnesium atoms interact. So being in group 2 of the periodic table, the magnesium atoms lose 2 valence electrons, which become delocalized, and we represent this using a sea of electrons model, where the positive metal ions are surrounded by delocalized valence electrons. So the attractions between these cations and electrons are what hold the metal together. And the free surface electrons are responsible for the shininess of the metal, so they reflect light and give metal its luster. And also these metallic bonds with free valence electrons make the metal more ductile, meaning it doesn't fracture suddenly, and malleable, so it's easy to work it in different shapes. And because the electrons are free to move around, metals are good conductors of electricity. The properties of metals can be altered by alloying them together, and basically alloys are formed by melting metals and also non-metals or metalloids and combining them in their liquid state to be able to form a homogeneous solid, as we want the properties of the solid to be uniform. So one type of alloy is an interstitial alloy, and this requires elements with a large difference in atomic radius. And a classic example is steel, which involves alloying iron with carbon. And in this case, carbon is referred to as a metalloid, so it exhibits properties somewhere between a metal and a non-metal. So here, carbon atoms get lodged between the iron atoms in the iron lattice, which are referred to as interstitial sites. And basically, carbon increases the strength of the steel through a work hardening effect, which will make more sense when you study material science. Another type of alloy is a substitutional alloy, which is formed by combining elements with a comparable atomic radius. And a typical example is brass, which is formed by alloying copper and zinc. So brass consists of around 66% copper and 34% zinc. So in this case, zinc atoms substitute for some of the copper atoms in the copper lattice.